Omo interview jori ka ugori guy. Mgbe lechara interview adịkọ ebe last week am na-read this interview. Ebe lady aha na platform called podcast. The Vibe Cartel, okay? The Vibe Cartel. But mgbe lere interview a chai, I know say ọ dị easy ọ dị easy way much ọ gakwara through a lot. Enweghị ọma like angel like interview ahụ. Ọ bịakwara kwuo ya plain say mgbe o mitiri Fino ọ na nga ọ gara aga deliver ihe ọ deliver. Kịọtara. So Fino ahụ ya kpọọ ya. When ndị ha ga-asị ha gara na hotel this but ya gwara gị sị lee ọ na-eme. Kịọtara. When ndị ya gwa gị sị lee ho mere na street, lee ho mere na the hood. So interview ga-gị play ugbu a na. So just highlight, don't just require small. No layer. Thank you.
Like, so imagine saying no give me bass or more. That means see this size why I wear for like I feel no even wear them. So a lot of people in the game right now, indirectly or directly, they're supposed to salute Fino. Even like the game right now, most of the boys in the game right now, bro, are doing what I'm doing. If you look at some boys in the game, you will see a bit of Jerick in them. It's reality, bro. Like, you can't hide it. All this is happening because Fino gave me that blueprint. Now maybe the blue for the print. So imagine he'd not do it. I'm not go there yet. So anybody that said that Fino is not helping or more, just know say that person they lie. Any artist who talks say Fino never help him or more, ask him whether his own papa don't help him.